Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you join the family. I hope you stick around. And if you're a seasoned subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about wig essentials, like things you need for installing your wigs and I guess taking care. Well, I could say taking care of your wig. Yeah. So we're going to jump right in. You need a wig cap or stocking cap. These come in black, tan, maybe like a beige, cream, and I think like a dark brown or like a natural. You also need a wig grip. I have a few. I have this one. I have a silicone-ish one. And I have, I wish I had it with me. You've probably seen it in my other video. So yeah, your stocking cap is good. And your wig grip is basically okay, let me start. The stocking cap is good for like protecting what's under your head, your hair pretty much. And the wig grip is basically, it's in the name. It's to stop your wig from moving. Like, it's to grip your wig. And when you put your wig on, you want to make sure that you put the combs underneath your wig grip or underneath your wig cap or stocking cap, whatever. And that's to pretty much, you don't want to put the combs on your edges, or because it can create a lot of friction, and that can break off the perimeter of your hair, like edges in the back of your hair. And you don't want to do that. You want to keep the edges. You want to preserve them. So yeah, that's pretty much for that. Okay, tinting your lace. There's a lot of things you can do. You can use your makeup powder. You can use spray. I use this Eben's tinted lace spray in the color light warm brown. And they have like different colors of these as well, like for your complexion. And you can use this. I use this, and I use my foundation powder, like a powder. I use this. I'm running low. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. As you can see, I'm holding on because this is about to be gone. But yeah, these bits pretty much, you like spray the lace in your wig. See, do I have okay, it's one of my old wigs. So you see this, I would like, if I want, okay, let's pretend this is not tinted, I would spray this on the part, or you would spray it. If you have a lace front, this is not a lace front, this is just a simple part wig. Like, you could shift it to the left or the middle or the right. So you would spray like the front where the lace is, or here goes some lace material, and I already tinted it. But before I tinted it, it was like transparent, like not transparent because it is transparent, you can see it, but it wasn't this color, if that makes sense. The lace was lighter. So the spray or the foundation powder is used to like change the color, to tweak the color to your skin color. So that's what this is for. And you would spray like whatever you need to spray, like the part or the front of the wig, the lace, if this was a lace front, but it's not. Moving on, I guess I can go to laying it down. Okay, let's see. So laying your wig down, you can use, there's different things you can use. Some people lay their lace down with hair gel, like, it depends on the wig. It depends on how long you want to leave the wig on. Like, are you leaving this on for like, I don't even know how long, because I never leave mine on. I like take them off at night. I don't sleep with them. But it depends, because they have like the glue, the little lace glue. I don't use that. But some people use this. They got to be glue, the spray, the glue, the freeze spray. And some people use this. I like using this. I have these two. Some people use this. I like this one, but I like the black one, which is this, but I got it small. Because this one's good, but if you use too much, it will start to like turn white. I mean, I use a little bit of all of them, but I noticed with this, like, this will turn white. Like, you gotta know what you're really doing. And I don't. I'm still learning. So, yeah. I stick to this, and this is good. And this spray. The Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. This is the Extreme Firm Hold. They have the black one. The black one is my favorite, but I don't have removed that, so I got this. But this is good too. The black is like stronger, if that makes sense. So if you was to lay the lace down, with this wig, you don't need it. You don't need none of those. You don't need none of that. Because that's just a simple part wig. With this wig, if I was to put this on, I have videos on this. I would pretty much cut a V in the front of my wig, which I did. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the front. Cut a V. It's a tiny little V. And I would put it, you can either put it a little bit behind your hairline, leave some of your baby hair out and style it. Or you can not leave your baby hair out. Like if you, not baby hair, edges. You can leave some of your hair, like put the wig a little bit behind your hairline so it can look a little more natural-ish, and pretty much like blend your baby hair. Why do I keep saying baby hair? Your edges. If you want to do baby hair, that's each his own. I don't really, yeah. But you can like put the wig a little bit behind your hairline, and then like leave out the edges, fix them how do you want to do it, your preference, you know. But wigs like this is like glued to my hair, like the front of the line, the lace. So that's when I would use this. I would like to put this on. I would spray this first, let it dry down, and then like put the lace on and cut it. I made a video, if you want to see it, it's the one before this. I literally have on the same shirt, but yeah. So yeah, these is used to like lay down lace. There's a lot of different things. You don't have to use these, and I've seen people use like the bond glue, the lace glue, stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, moving along. I guess we can go with cutting lace. You can use like either little scissors or like one of these little, what is this thing called? I use them for my eyebrows, but yeah, sometimes. But yeah, you can use these like when you're cutting the lace, or if I was cutting a V in a wig, or cutting the lace, because these do come with lace, but it's not lace meant to be glued down, if that makes sense. It's lace that's meant to be cut off. But let's say if I was cutting a V, I would use these because these are tiny. I'm cutting an inverted V, and that's how I would do it. Like, or I would use this, one of these, to like cut the lace that I'm gonna lay down, and I would try to cut it as close to the lace. Oh, I wish I had a wig that I could show you guys. But like in the front of this is lace, as you can see. I don't use the baby hair, but you can. But if you want to use the baby hair, you can just like hot comb the baby hair back, like make them back, and then cut the lace off, if that makes sense. So if I was to put this on again, I would obviously take it out, the packaging, spray it with my tinted lace spray, make sure I have my wig cap on, my wig grip, and then I will cut the lace off. Cutting the lace off, you can do it straight, but I don't really do it straight because I don't have a straight hairline. I don't think that looks natural to me. Some people do cut it straight off, but I kind of like, I don't know. I can't even explain it. I don't even go up and down. I don't know. It's something that you gotta like make it work for your head, your hair, your face, because it's like I have a widow's peak. So if I was to cut it straight, as you can see, you still see my widow's peak, like. And then some people, when they cut wigs, they don't even use the lace on the side. They use their real edges. So it's to each his own. I can't really say, oh, cut it this way or that way. So it's up to you. Like some people use their edges. Okay, detangling. Detangling, you can use like one of these brushes or a dimming brush, which I do not have with me right now. Like you would just brush through the hair. Always start at the bottom, work your way up. And another thing, this wig look a mess, but I can revive it with this spray, this Simply Styling Light Silk Spray. I would spray a little bit of this. So let's say if I want to revive this, you can wash the wig and then like let it dry. You can use blow dry, but I don't be having time for that. I just let it air dry and then like squeeze the excess. Then again, no, I probably wouldn't blow dry this because it's not human, but I would wash this with like a shampoo, like a sulfate free shampoo or something, and then like just leave it in a bucket with cool water, warm water or something. Let it wash a couple of times. Wash the inside. Definitely wash the inside. I know I got this in my hand. Just pretend this is my hair. Wash the inside, you know, the outside, all of that stuff, good stuff. And you know, you want to see, I would do that a couple of times to make sure it's clean. You can put conditioner in it. Some people do, some people don't. That's your preference again. Then like maybe wring it out. I don't mean wring it out like that, like not wring it out, but like I guess squeeze the excess water out and then let it dry. I would dry mine in front of a fan. That's just me. Or some people will hang it up. It's your preference. And then I would like use the spray and then use heat, because a lot of these wigs, before you straighten them, if you look at the instructions, they will tell you like, oh, this is safe up to 400 degrees or whatever. It will let you know. And I would just stick to that. Then I would spray. I gotta get some more because I'm empty. I would spray this like at the ends of the wig or whatever needs to. Just spray it like light mist. It's light. It's not heavy. Spray through the wig and like brush it. It helps to really bring back your wigs. It definitely revives everything they say on this bottle. It helps. Eliminates frizz, check. Straightens, check. Renews, extension of wigs, check, 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 check. This definitely is worth getting. And that's how we'll revive it. And then like I probably would use maybe a flat iron or a hot comb to like, I guess, bring it back to life. Let's see. I guess I can go with like laying down. Like let's say this was puffy. Like if you put your wig on, all wigs, let me not say that, because now they have no wigs where you can just wear them glueless, but most wigs come out the package where you gotta like flatten them. Some wigs nowadays, they have a lot of, some of these companies have wigs now where you can just put it on your head and go about your business. It's glueless, you don't have to flatten them, but they cost, honestly, I don't even know how much they cost. I can't even say that, but what I'm referring to is wigs like Outre and Sensationals, like those brands, you know. Whether it's synthetic, some human wigs, yeah, you have to like put that work into it. Like you have to tint the lace, or sometimes you don't want to bleach the knot. So that's where the tinted lace spray, instead of bleaching the knots, that's where the tinted lace spray will come into, or the foundation. And also they have these, some people use the scar away bandages and they put it on the lace under the wig to hide the grits on the wig. Let me show you what I mean by grits. You probably can't see it, but it's little black holes here, and there's different ways to cover it up. Some people they mix foundation with, is it glue? They mix foundation with the got to be glue, gel, something like this or this, they would mix their powder foundation with it or their liquid foundation with it, and then they will put it on a part and like hide the grids. But they have things where some places, like I know Sam's Beauty, they have different things that you, I think there's one that's transparent or clear, and there's one that's like, I don't know, I'll have to show a picture and insert it, but there's these things that you put on the grid and it will kind of like disguise it better. So some people buy those, or they use the scar weight bandages, or they use this method with the foundation, and that's to pretty much hide the grids. Okay, so back to what I was saying about flattening the wigs. To flatten your wig, sometimes when you put your wig on straight out of the pack, it's kind of humpy and it looks wiggy. So to flatten it, you can use like a hot comb to flatten it down, or you can use a blow dryer to flatten it down, and that will get rid of like the humpiness, wiggy kind of look, if that makes sense. That's what I would do to like flatten it. Oh, also, like if you have flyaways, they have like, this is an edge tamer, but this is like a wax. It's like a wax thing. It looks like deodorant, but it's not. You would like put that on like near the part like to lay down the flyaways. That's pretty much what that's for. So let me go over that again. Hot comb or blow dryer to lay down the wig. A spray, like a silicone spray. A scissor or some type of razor to cut lace. Adhesive gel or glue to lay down the lace. And I mean, this comes in handy too, like an edge brush if you want to do your edges. And some type of tinted lace. But if I was to apply this, I would use like a brush or something and like put it in the part. That's pretty much how you do it. So hot comb, blow dryer, some type of detangling brush or like a denim brush, a wig grip, stocking cap. I think that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much all the wig essentials you need. So the message for today is get out your own way. Sometimes you gotta get out your head. I'm talking to myself because it's definitely me. Get out your head and get out your way. You know, do things that you would normally not do, or do things that you want to do but you normally wouldn't do because you're, oh, what if I'm not good enough? What if this? What if that? What if this? Forget all the shit coulda wouldas and do it. And if nobody told you today you are enough, you're beautiful, you're loved, and you're adored. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to, or like if you want to. And I hope you join the family. Let me know what else you want to see from me. And always remember to love yourself. God only made one of you, and He made you for a reason. And if nobody didn't tell you today, I love you. I'm still getting used to like talking. It's so weird looking at myself. But yeah, remember to judge less and love more. I love you. Thanks for watching.